Hi, friends. Welcome to Storytime Anytime with the Lee County Library System. My name is Miss Sarah, and today we'll be singing and rhyming and sharing stories and early literacy tips that will help your child grow into great readers. This program is about 15 minutes long and is for adults and their children to watch together. So gather round and let's get started. So let's wave hello to everyone at Storytime. Get your waving hand ready, and here we go. We wave hello like this. We wave hello like this. To all our friends at Storytime, we wave hello like this. Very nice. Now let's switch hands. Here we go. We wave hello like this. We wave hello like this. To all our friends at Storytime, we wave hello like this. Very nice. Thank you for joining me today. So the first rhyme we're going to do today is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is a rhyme, which is a very important way to introduce your child to words and get them ready to read. Rhyming helps children hear different sounds inside of words, and playing with sounds is a fun way for kids to develop phonological awareness. So here we go. Let's get our counting fingers ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. Let's count again. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let him go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on the right. Next, friends, we're going to do If You're Happy and You Know It. We're going to clap our hands. So let's get those clapping hands ready. Here we go. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Okay, so next we're gonna stomp our feet. Can you stomp your feet with me? If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp. All right, now we're going to shout hooray. Can you do that with me? If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. Hooray! If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. Hooray! Excellent job, everyone. Very nice work. Next, friends, we're going to do a feltboard rhyme about 5 cranky crabs. Oftentimes, when you go to the ocean, you can see some crabs skittering along the seashore. Before we start our rhyme today, let's count them up together and make sure we have 5. So get ready to count with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yes, we definitely have 5. So let's start our rhyme. 5 cranky crabs were digging on the shore. 1 swam into a net. And then there were 4. 4 cranky crabs were floating in the sea. 1 got tangled up in seaweed. And then there were 3. 3 cranky crabs were wondering what to do. 1 dug a deep, deep hole. And then there were 2. 2 cranky crabs were warming in the sun. 1 got scooped up in a cup. And then there was 1. 1 cranky crab was smarter than his friends. He hid behind the jagged rocks. And that's how this story ends. Wonderful job counting to 5 with me, everyone. Hey friends, have you ever seen an octopus? Well, we're going to sing about some creatures that live in the sea. So here we go. Have you ever seen an octopus, an octopus, an octopus? Have you ever seen an octopus swim this way and that, swim that way and this way and this way and that way? Have you ever seen an octopus swim this way and that? Friends, have you ever seen a fish? That's what we're going to sing about next, so sing along with me. Here we go. Have you ever seen a fish, a fish, a fish? Have you ever seen a fish swim this way and that, swim that way and this way and this way and that way? Have you ever seen a fish swim this way and that? Have you ever seen a shark? Well, that's what we're going to sing about next. Is everyone ready? Sing along with me. Have you ever seen a shark, a shark, a shark? Have you ever seen a shark swim this way and that, swim that way and this way and this way and that way? Have you ever seen a shark swim this way and that? Have you ever seen a whale? A whale is the next creature that we're going to sing about. So here we go. Let's get ready. Have you ever seen a whale, a whale, a whale? Have you ever seen a whale swim this way and that, swim that way and this way and this way and that way? Have you ever seen a whale swim this way and that? Have you ever seen a dolphin? The dolphin is the last creature we're going to sing about. So let's get ready to sing together. Have you ever seen a dolphin, a dolphin, a dolphin? Have you ever seen a dolphin swim this way and that, swim that way and this way and this way and that way? Have you ever seen a dolphin swim this way and that? That's all the creatures that we're going to sing about today. Thanks, friends, for joining in with me. I had a lot of fun singing with you. Next, friends, we're going to do my thumbs are starting to wiggle. So we're going to start wiggling our thumbs. Let's get our thumbs ready. They're getting itchy and wiggly, so here we go. My thumbs are starting to wiggle. My thumbs are starting to wiggle. My thumbs are starting to wiggle around and around and around. Ooh, those wiggly thumbs. Now our hands are going to start to wiggle. Can you wiggle your hands all around? My hands are starting to wiggle, my hands are starting to wiggle, my hands are starting to wiggle around and around and around. Excellent. Now the wiggles are going to increase. Our whole arms are going to wiggle. My arms are starting to wiggle, my arms are starting to wiggle, my arms are starting to wiggle around and around and around. Now we're going to wiggle everywhere. We're going to wiggle our whole self. Can you do that with me? Here we go. My whole self starting to wiggle. My whole self starting to wiggle. My whole self starting to wiggle around and around and around. Whew, all that wiggling felt good. Very nice, everyone. Friends, we're going to do a felt board rhyme about 5 big whales. So here we go. 5 big whales in the sea offshore. 1 swam up to spout, and then there were 4. 4 big whales in the deep blue sea. 1 swam up to spout, and then there were 3. 3 big whales in the sea so blue. One swam up to spout, and then there were two. Two big whales having loads of fun. One swam up to spout, and that left one. One big whale longing for the sun. He swam out to spout, and that left none. Next, we're going to do a song, which is the waves on the beach. So we're going to start with the waves on the beach go up and down. And then we're going to do the crabs on the beach, which go back and forth. And then we're going to do the clams on the beach, which go open and shut. So you make a little clam that goes open and shut. And last, the kids on the beach are going to go splash, splash, splash. So here we go. The waves on the beach go up and down, up and down, up and down. The waves on the beach go up and down all day long. Now let's get our little crabs ready. Are you ready? The crabs on the beach go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. The crabs on the beach go back and forth all day long. All right, get ready to do the clams. Let's get our clam hand ready. The clams on the beach go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The clams on the beach go open and shut all day long. Now we're going to do the kids. Are you ready to splash? Here we go. The kids on the beach go splash, 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 splash. The kids on the beach go splash, splash, splash all day long. Very nice, everyone. I hope you had fun. I sure did. All right, friends, the last rhyme we're going to do today is Tickle the Clouds. So here we go. Tickle the clouds. Raise your hands up high and give it a tickle. Now tickle your toes. Tickle those toes. Clap your hands. Give them a clap. And tickle your nose. Reach down low and reach up high. Story time's over. So wave bye-bye. Thank you so much for tuning in to Storytime Anytime. We hope you enjoyed the program. For more early literacy tips, activities, and fun for your little ones, please visit us at www.leelibrary.net/pre-K. Also, follow us on Facebook and Instagram for the latest library happenings. Bye, friends.